Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Smart Stitching. Today we are going to learn how to make molded fabric buttons. A lot of people requested me to show how to make it. Molded fabric buttons are quite normal these days, but today I will be showing you how to embellish and decorate them for a fancy look. I keep making a variety of molded buttons to decorate my designer dresses. I have a few with me now as well. Let me show you some of them. These are usual common buttons with a single layer of fabric on them. These are multi-layered buttons with two layers overlapping one another. These buttons are made with golden lace, which is further decorated with anchor thread. These two are also different kind of embroidery buttons. This is decorated with embroidered net and this is with embroidered flowers. This is the machine I use for making these buttons. This is the die which is used in this machine. This is an old variant of this machine. There are new and efficient models available in stores. Let's first arrange the pots of our die with this machine. This pot of the die goes down in the bottom hole of the machine. There is a screw available here to turn it to keep our die intact. Now take this pot, put it in this spring and arrange it upside down. Take the head of the die and insert this bit into it. Let's start with the most easy molded button. This is made with single layer of fabric. These are the buttons to which we will be attaching the fabric. Take the piece of fabric which you want to make the button of. Take this part of the button which is having holes in it. This is the bottom part of our button. Put it here. Now layer the round top of the button with the fabric and fix the fabric to it. With the help of thread. Now cut the extra fabric. Put it inside the head of the die. Arrange this head on the top of the machine vertically. And press the lever of the machine 2 to 3 times. This is how we made the molded fabric button. Now let's make a multi-layered molded fabric button. For this we will be using two types of fabrics. I am using velvet cloth and a net cloth. Hold these two firmly over the round top of the button. Put the net fabric on the top of the velvet fabric. Fix it with the help of thread. Now cut this extra fabric. Put it in the top of the die. And press the lever. This is how we make a molded fabric button. Now let's make an embroidered fabric button. I'll be using golden lace and anchor thread to make it. Arrange the lace on the embroidered frame. Draw a circle on it with accordance to its width. Take an anchor thread and do a spiral embroidery on the circle. Cut the circle. Put this fabric on the top of the molded button. And insert it in the die. Our embroidered button is now ready. You can make buttons of different kinds if you want to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are new. Like the video if it is helpful. Comment down if you have any questions. Assalamu alaikum.